Hey Steven, how you doing? This is Lucas. I shoot this little video for you about three things that I found in your website that you can start doing. It's really easy to fix, and you can start doing it in order to start beating Wire Masters Electric. These guys are the top competitor that you have online right now. When you look for an electrician in Miami, they pop at the very top on Google. And honestly, these just three things that you need to implement, and you'll be beating them with no problem. You may wonder why I made this video for you, and it's because I know business owners are very busy taking care of their business and their customers, so they don't really have time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring them more business. And also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not. So I like to make these educational videos for business owners, and some of them they like to take the information and try to implement it themselves, and some of them, they just contact me back and have me either help them or just making it for them. So either one is all good with me. And moving forward, I might just go ahead and keep it nice and short so I don't waste your time or mine either over here. I want to talk about the three main things that the Google search engine uses to rank a website on the very top. That would be content, backlinks, and citations. Content would be all the things that are in your website, all the text, pictures, what is behind the pictures, and how the pictures are saved as. As you see, you take all the content that is on your website right now, you paste it here, you have 117 words on your homepage. And usually, on average, Google, in order to rank a website to the very top, they like to see about 2,000 words of keyword rich content. If you see your competition here and we paste it on the same word count, up, and we paste it over here on the same word count. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, right there. You can see that these guys have 1,300 words. Okay, so by put 2,000 words with a keyword rich content, you would definitely start beating them on content on the content aspect. Then the other thing is you want to put, as I said, a lot of keywords, which are pretty much the terms that the people are looking up on Google. So like Miami Electrician, like the services that you're providing, pretty much. So when somebody looks them up, Google can find you for those terms. You want to drop all those several times within those 2,000 words. And the next thing I want to talk about is backlinks. A backlink is basically another website posting a link that when somebody clicks on it, brings the traffic back to your website. All right, and that is a little bit like a popularity contest on the eyes of Google because they love to see relevant pages vouching for you and mostly within the same niche. Okay, so you can get backlinks for pages maybe like a website that talks about pizza or about shoes, and it would work. But if another website that is from another electrician on another a website that is dedicated to electrical services or stuff like that within the same niche, that would be way more powerful again for Google's eyes, all right? And that would give you the power to rank on the top. So with the 2,000 words of keyword rich content plus all those backlinks, you will be ranking up here in no time. And you may wonder how I build those backlinks. So you have here a tool like this is Ahrefs, is a tool that we use, but you have this is a paid one, but you can get some other tools for free that you can check this out. So I put your website right here, okay, and it's telling me that you have right now 12 referring domains. That means that you have 12 websites that are linking back to your website. If you go to your competition and you put your website right here, their website right here, sorry, you can see that these guys have 76 referring domains. So how can you beat that? It's as simple as you go here and you go through all these domains, every single one of them. And the easiest way is you make a profile on the website and you put a link on to your website on that profile. Sometimes what you need to do is just send an email to the owner of the site and they will do it for you. All right, so that's how you build the backlinks. And also what you always want to do is to add some extra ones so that way you beat them on number of backlinks and power. And also because if you have the same ones as them, if they're powerful for them, they're powerful for you. So if you have that plus some extra ones, you will be definitely beating them and getting this spot in no time. Last thing I want to talk about is citations. This MacPack right here, being in the top results here, brings you a lot of traffic to your website. So it's very important to get here. And this is something that you can do totally for free. Okay, the only thing you need to do is build enough citations, which is your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. And by that I mean yellow pages, white pages, Yelp, Facebook, NG. It's thousands of them out there. Okay, so what I would do is you go to your competition, see how many citations they have. Let's say these guys have 150. So you go ahead and you copy those 150 citations and you add at least another 100. I would usually go for 100, 150 more. That way, when they realize that you outrank them and they try to catch up, you start building more citations and it would be almost impossible for them. So making a little recap, you need about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your website. Then build a strong, healthy backlink profile that you can do and start doing as simple as start copying your competition, plus adding some extra ones, and then just building some citations so you can go ahead and be on the top here. And with those three things, in no time, you will be ranking on the top of the MacPack and on the top of the organic results and get that crazy new amount of calls and new business coming in. The thing that I would really recommend for your next step though is to start this process as soon as possible, because the implement all this stuff takes some time. So you want to get it done as soon as possible so you can get started getting all that business and all those calls. All right. So if you like what you just heard and I told you, please feel free to contact me and we can talk more about it. If not, yes, and if you want me to help you. But if you want to do it yourself, just take this information for free. And if you have any questions at any point of the process, please again feel free to contact me. And if you can give me a little bit of feedback on this video, it would be much appreciated. Thank you.